from California. I came here to do breast reduction. Breast reduction for me is very important because it's something that I was looking forward to since I was 15 years old, because the amount of size that I had, it was quite not comfortable to be in society and not to wear certain clothes. Coming to India, it was kind of challenging because I didn't know much of surgeons in here, but I did some research and I ended up meeting Dr. Gupta by reviewing his results from his clients that he'd been having. So that's how I met Dr. Gupta. He's been a great choice for me and I'm very happy with the process. The choice to come to India was not because of the amount of the money that I will be saving on the surgery. It was the quality, not the quantity. And that's why I ended up coming in here, knowing that they have best surgeons such as Dr. Gupta. And the hospital experience has been amazing. All the nurses have been so clean, helpful through the procedure, and been a great experience. After surgery, it was a little painful for quite an hour or so, but after that, once I got the pain medication, it was comfortable. So I didn't stay overnight because it was not necessary. I got discharged by 9 p.m. or so. So very comfortable, very easy process, and very happy. It is amazing. It seems like it's an 18 years old girl's breast. I did some lifting too, breast lifting, and the shape, the look, the size, very, very beautiful, and extremely happy with the result. Dr. Gupta is an amazing doctor. Very helpful, very gentle, very kind, very knowledgeable. He run me through the process from A to Z, made sure that I'm comfortable with every question that I have, and he's amazing. I would recommend everyone to go to him and have a smile like I have a smile. Breast reduction is not something that every woman should feel ashamed because of the scar, that they will have later on. If you're not comfortable with your body size, if it's a breast, you should go for it, do it, and the result is incredibly beautiful, and you will be happy for the rest of your life. And I feel like it's not something to be ashamed, it's something to be proud, because you feel happy, you feel proud, and you feel confident.